Yo, what's up, boys? My name is Nathan, and welcome back to Cold War for once in a lifetime. Today we're going to be playing some gunfight blueprints. I never did gunfight on the channel, surprisingly. I play a lot of gunfight when I play COD, but I have not played it on the channel once ever. So let's hop into this one game. Let's hop into this game. I'll see you guys in the game. Peace out. I completely messed up my words there. What is this loadout, bro? Like, really, like, what is this loadout? Gunfight. Already flashed one. Oh! About to say, teammate. My teammate better get this motherfucker. How many of you on the bat? I'm gonna flash him again. I flashed both of them, bro. Got him. Let's go. This was no fluke. Let's go, chat.
Make the Soviet Union proud.
Oh my god, I almost died because I suck with the KSP. That's why I switched to the Magnum, bro. My teammate, you're so dumb.
Remember this defeat. Let it inspire
My teammate is so
victory.
fucking dumb. I see my didn't even shoot him until he got shot. Stupid. Straight fucking stupid.
Get to work.
Oh god. What? Why are you always going that one location, you little fucker? My god. I literally don't know how to play this fucking game. My teammate, I swear, is the dumbest person on earth. It's so fucking funny. This guy just camps in that one little location. Like, why do you just stand there, bro? Like, you're prestige level 2, and you legit suck anus at this game. Or watch him just completely use the fucking. Ha! He knows he's trash, so he left. Let's go, garbage.
Maintain your momentum.
He got sprayed at and he left the game because of it, bro. Imagine leaving a game because you're just pissed off. Let's go.
Show those imperialists this was no fluke.
Come on, guys. Let's get a cool trick shot. Probably ain't gonna happen though. Trick shots probably ain't gonna happen. Oh, bro, I sometimes hate the Tundra's scope. Oh, juicy, bro. That was juicy, bro. Did they leave? Oh, he didn't leave. Oh, I thought he left, bro. I honestly thought he left.
It's on you. Win or die trying.
Sometimes my teammate's so dumb, like I say almost every time. Oh my god, imagine you losing a shotgun fight.
That's a wrap. Prepping for evac.
See you guys in the next game, buds. Just to fucking quit the match, bro. Thank you.
Gunfight. Operators, you're free to
Oh wow, bro. They're gonna stick with each other, bro. They're such bad this game. It's insane. These guys are so bad. I bet they're trash talking because they know they're fucking garbage. Talking to the ones who's fucking camping in corners. Bruh. You think they're so good? Bruh.
Remember this defeat. Let it inspire our next victory.
Okay, talking to the ones who keep beside each other. Imagine your teammate following you around, bro. Imagine your teammate following you around.
Время идет. Get to work. Take comfort, comrade. We'll beat them next time.
At least I don't play this game 24/7 hours a day, not going to sleep once a night. This is just funny to me. This is straight funny to me, chat. This kid's like thinks I'm just gonna keep killing myself to this kid because he's like thinks he's like so good at this game. Man, imagine double teaming, bro.
We've broken their streak. Keep it going.
Okay, bro. Jesus Christ. I don't know why you're so toxic right at the beginning of the game. That's my question. Just straight out of the bat, you become like the most toxic piece of shit in this lobby. See, that's sad that that his teammate agreed.
Show those imperialists this was no fluke.
Toxic guy actually supports me now. It's like weird how these lobbies are, bro. It's like so fucking weird.
Lone Wolf, fight for victory.
Aw, GG's, bro.
Remember
GG's.
let it inspire our next victory. Eliminate all threats.
I suck with this gun, I swear. I swear.
Spetsnaz operators, you're free to engage.
We'll see what happens if I throw a flare this way. Got one? This is grenade.
It's on you. Win or die trying. Their streak's broken. Maintain your momentum.
GG. He's like, I was about to say.
Spetsnaz GRU, you have execute authority.
Oh, bro, I didn't see Oh.
You performed as expected, crew. Prepare to redeploy.
That was unpleasant.
The Secretariat are watching. Push the near.
Oh! I kind of suck at this game.
That's 3 rounds on the books.
GG's.
Spetsnaz, you have a green light. Вперед!
No, I almost got you with a pistol, bro.
Mission complete. Clean up crews, ensure there are no survivors.
GG's. GG's. See how bad I am, chat.
Gunfight. CIA team, defend our freedom.
Oh, he was drowned, bruh.
Top off your ammo. We're going back in.
I didn't even see him till like the last second, bro. I didn't even see him till like the last second. Like, I didn't know he was gonna sit down.
MTC
Bro.
is live. Bring the
I
hammer
really
down.
didn't.
Don't get cocky. We need to repeat that
GG.
performance.
Just going with my hand.
You're representing the company. Work clean, work fast. Chin down, eyes up. Get ready to redeploy.
GG's. Chat, that was my stupidity. Just use a Damati.
The fate of the free world is in your hands.
Ah.
Top off your ammo. We're going back in.
GG's. Why would you name yourself Autism, bro? That's
Training
just
time's
wrong.
over. Let's see what you can do. It's down to you.
R.
Make the agency proud.
Why am I so stupid?
Top off your ammo. We're going back in.
You're good. I'm stupid.
Show them how the CIA does business.
Oh my god.
Top off your ammo. We're going back in.
Oh Oh, my teammate left the game, bro. Is he really that sort of a loser? I'm just gonna let him get this win, because even though we could make it back up, so I don't know what... I don't know.
It's down to you. Make the agency proud. Their streak's broken. Maintain your momentum.
GG.
Green light, green light. It's down to you. Make the agency proud.
I already knew I was losing because my teammate decided to be a sore loser and leave.
Head to Exfil.
GG's.
Don't let him take you alive.
Withdraw.
Which usually is the case. Oh god, I gotta take a piss. Oh.
Assume all contacts are hostile. It's down to you. Make the agency proud. Good job, CIA. Keep that up or we get to go home.
He ain't gonna say shit, or guys? He ain't gonna say anything. I thought he was gonna say
Weapon free.
something.
You are clear to engage.
I was about to say, is my teammate really AFK?
Don't get cocky. We need to repeat that performance.
This is the tryhard coming out of me,
Training
chat.
time's over. Let's see what you can do. It's down to you. Make the agency proud.
Oh, what the? Oh, bro, I didn't see
Top
it.
off your ammo. We're going back in. Green light, green light. Don't get cocky. We need to repeat that performance. CIA team, defend our freedom. It's down to you. Make the agency proud. Good job, CIA. Keep that up or we get to go home.
Let's go, chat. I'm just becoming
The
goated
fate
all
of
of a
the free
sudden.
world is in your hands. It's down to you. Make the agency proud.
Oh,
Chin down, eyes up. Get ready to
GG's.
redeploy.
apparently they ain't gonna say shit to me, so I'm just gonna be in game chat, party chat.
Best of luck, soldier. The folks back home are counting on you.
Oh, bro, that's stupid.
It's down to you. Make the agency
Is my
proud.
teammate really AFK, bro? Bro, my teammate decided to just go AFK mid-game and decided like, oh, that's gonna be a good idea. Come on, bro. Really? Just decided to ditch me, bro.
You are clear
Great,
to engage.
we're great teammates, bro.
It's down to you. Make the agency proud.
Oh my god, bro. Imagine this game being gay with teammates, bro. The people they put you against low levels, so every time I get put with low levels, they end up leaving. It's starting to piss me off. Like 4 games in a row, like yesterday after my friend got off. Straight up, every time low level teammate, and then just straight up
You're our last
leaves.
active battle asset.